Tired of copy-pasting emails all day? Let's automate your email outreach using Google Sheets, Gmail, and Zapier. First, prep your Google Sheet. Make sure you have columns for email addresses, names, and any other personalized details you want to include in your emails. Think of it as your central command for all your contacts. Now, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. Select Google Sheets as your trigger. Choose New Spreadsheet row as the trigger. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet and worksheet you just prepped. Zapier will then ask you to test the trigger. Do it. Next, select Gmail as your action app. Choose Send Email as the action. Now, connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Time to craft your email in the To field. Select the email address column from your Google Sheet. To the same for the subject and body fields, personalizing your message by inserting data from your sheet, like their name. Now, test your Gmail action. Zapier will send a test email to ensure everything is set up correctly. Review your test email to confirm everything is accurate. Finally, turn on your Zap. Zapier will now automatically send emails from Gmail every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Start emailing efficiently now.